student. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Here we discuss mole concept. A compound with 84.2% boron and 15.8% hydrogen. Its molecular mass was calculated from its vapor density, that is 76.7. What does it mean? That means molecular mass is equal to 76.7. What is its molecular formula? Identify the name of the compound. So boron symbol is B, atomic weight 10.8, hydrogen symbol is H, and its atomic weight will be equal to 1. So percentage by mass, they are 84.2 gram and hydrogen is 15.8 gram. So number of moles of given of boron will be given mass by atomic mass. Given mass 84.2, atomic weight 10.8, calculate 7.79 moles of the boron is present. Now hydrogen we will see 15.8 divided by 1, so it is 15.8. So in the molecule what we have to do, we have to search the least number. This is the least number, so we divide these two moles by least number, so we'll get exact boron and exact hydrogen in the empirical way. So 7.79 divided by 7.79 is equal to 1. Here 15.8 divided by 7.79 is equal to 2. So simple ratio of boron is 1 and hydrogen is 2. But and empirical weight we have to see, boron is having atomic weight 10.8, hydrogen 1 into 2. Hydrogen is having atomic weight of 1, but there are 2 hydrogen, so 2 times 1. So 10.8 plus 2 is equal to 12.8 is the empirical weight of BH2. Okay, now we get this. They are saying that it is 76.7 is the molecular mass. So what we have to do? We have to calculate N. So what is N? N is the number which decides the molecular formula, and its value is coming from this molecular weight divided by empirical weight. So by this division we will find out number of N. So 76.7 divided by 12.8 means molecular weight divided by empirical weight, we will get answer 6. Okay, so N is equal to 6 means molecular formula will be N times of the empirical formula. Molecular formula will be N times of the empirical formula. This is the rule. So here N is equal to 6. So we will multiply BH2 by 6. Okay, on when multiplying BH2 by 6, we will get B6H12. And this is the formula for hexaborane 12, very important compound. Hexaborane 12, B6H12, and it exists. Okay, very good inorganic